Alam mo ba na kung ang computer or laptop mo ay running Windows 10 or 11 ay pwede mong i-enable ang auto screen lock sa iyong Windows PC or laptop gamit lang ang iyong mobile device. This will add more privacy and security if ever tumayo ka sa iyong computer or workstation at nakalimutan mong i-lock ang iyong device. And by enabling this option, it will auto-lock your login screen. Kung interesado ka, panoorin mo ang video ito. To activate it, so sa iyong Windows computer, i-click mo lang yung start menu. And then punta ka sa settings. So ang una nating gagawin, i-pair natin yung dalawang device, yung computer mo at yung mobile device. So click mo yung Bluetooth devices and then click mo yung add device. And then for the sake of this tutorial, nilagay ko din yung screen ng mobile ko. So hintayin mo lang na ma-detect yung mobile device. So ito yung device ko, Oppo A18. So i-pair ko siya dun sa aking cellphone. So click lang natin yung pair. Then click connect mula sa ating computer. And then that's it. Nakakonect na yung ating computer at yung ating mobile or cellphone. So after that, punta tayo sa accounts. And then select natin yung sign in options. Then scroll down, may makikita tayong dynamic lock. So dito sa dynamic lock, may option dito na allow my Windows to lock my PC when you are away. So ang gagawin natin, hintayin lang natin na mag-establish yung connection between our computer and the mobile device. So for the sake of tutorial, ilalagay ko yung screen ng aking mobile dito. So hintayin lang natin na magkaroon or ma-establish yung connection between computer and the mobile device. It is automatic naman. So yan kung makikita nyo, na-establish na yung connection. So meron ng Bluetooth connection ang ating computer and ang ating mobile device. So itatry natin na i-turn off yung Bluetooth, or we just pretend na pupunta tayo sa pantry or toilet, nadala natin yung ating mobile device. And ganito yung mangyayari once nawala na yung Bluetooth connection between our computer and yung mobile device. So mag-auto-lock yung ating PC and mape-prevent natin ang ibang user na gamitin ang ating computer without our consent. And that's how you configure the dynamic lock sa ating Windows PC. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe na rin sa ating channel for more tips and tricks like this.